By the age of 45, your body may be producing up to 25% less collagen than it did in your 20s. Source: Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, 2010. And by age 60, collagen production can drop by more than 50%. That loss doesn't just show up on lab tests. It shows up in the mirror. Fine lines that don't go away when you stop smiling. Skin that used to bounce back, but now sags, thins, or dulls. A youthful glow replaced by dry patches, dark spots, and deepening wrinkles. Most people blame this on normal aging. But the underlying issue is often structural. The steady breakdown of collagen, the very protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and smooth. Without enough collagen, skin loses its support, and no cream can rebuild what the body stops producing from within. The good news? Collagen loss isn't irreversible. One nutrient plays a direct role in rebuilding it: vitamin C. In this video, we'll reveal 10 vitamin C rich foods backed by science to help support natural collagen production and restore the strength and appearance of your skin from the inside out. Why is vitamin C important for skin? Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. It acts as a cofactor for the enzymes prolyl and lysyl hydroxylase, which help stabilize and cross-link collagen fibers. Without adequate vitamin C, collagen cannot form its proper structure, leading to weaker, less resilient skin. In addition, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects existing collagen from damage caused by UV exposure and free radicals. A study published in Nutrients, 2017, found that regular vitamin C intake significantly improves skin elasticity, hydration, and reduces wrinkle depth, especially in aging skin. Number 1. Guava, a vitamin C powerhouse for skin health. Among all common fruits, guava ranks at the top for vitamin C content, delivering around 228 milligrams per 100 grams, which is over twice the daily recommended intake and about 4 times more than an orange. USDA Food Data Central, 2020. This high concentration of vitamin C makes guava exceptionally effective in supporting natural collagen synthesis. Collagen is the structural protein responsible for skin firmness and elasticity. Without enough vitamin C, collagen fibers weaken, resulting in sagging and fine lines. Guava also contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals generated by sun exposure and pollution. A study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, 2014, reported that lycopene improves skin texture, reduces oxidative stress, and enhances photoprotection, key factors in slowing visible aging. Thanks to its dual content of vitamin C and antioxidants, guava supports both the creation and protection of collagen in the skin. How to enjoy it? Eat it fresh with the skin on, blend it into smoothies, or add diced guava to a citrus-based salad. Just one fruit a day can significantly contribute to your skin's resilience and radiance. Number 2. Red bell pepper, bright color, brighter skin. Red bell peppers are one of the most vitamin C-rich vegetables available, providing about 190 milligrams per 100 grams, more than twice the vitamin C content of an orange. USDA Food Data Central, 2020. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, acting as a cofactor for enzymes that form and stabilize collagen fibers. It also reduces collagen breakdown by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Red bell peppers are also high in beta-carotene, a plant-based antioxidant that converts to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A helps maintain healthy skin cells and may improve skin tone and clarity. According to a 2012 study in the journal Dermatoendocrinology, vitamin C combined with other antioxidants like beta-carotene helps improve skin hydration, elasticity, and appearance, while reducing signs of aging, such as fine lines and pigmentation. Thanks to their powerful nutrient combination, red bell peppers support both the formation and preservation of collagen, while helping reduce inflammation in the skin. How to enjoy it? Slice them raw into salads, roast them with olive oil, or sauté them lightly to retain their nutrients. Just half a cup of red bell pepper can provide your full day's worth of vitamin C. Number 3. Orange, the classic source of collagen-supporting vitamin C. Oranges are often the first fruit people think of when it comes to vitamin C, and for good reason. A medium orange provides around 70 milligrams of vitamin C, meeting nearly 80% of the recommended daily intake for adults. USDA Food Data Central 2020. Vitamin C plays a direct role in collagen production by supporting the enzymes that form stable collagen fibers. Without it, collagen synthesis slows, and skin becomes more prone to dryness, sagging, and fine lines. Beyond supporting collagen, vitamin C in oranges helps retain skin moisture and improves elasticity. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2007, found that higher dietary intake of vitamin C was associated with a lower likelihood of wrinkles and dryness in middle-aged women. Oranges also contain hesperidin, a citrus flavonoid shown to support circulation and reduce skin inflammation, further enhancing skin tone and texture. How to enjoy it? Drink fresh squeezed orange juice in the morning, eat orange slices as a light snack, or add segments to a colorful fruit salad. For maximum benefit, consume the pulp along with the juice. It's rich in fiber and antioxidants. Number 4. Strawberries. Collagen protection in a sweet bite. Strawberries are a nutrient-dense fruit that offers impressive skin benefits, primarily due to their high vitamin C content, about 59 milligrams per 100 grams. USDA Food Data Central 2020. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis, but strawberries go a step further by containing anthocyanins, natural plant pigments that give strawberries their red color and offer potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2008, highlights anthocyanins' ability to protect collagen from UV-induced degradation, one of the leading causes of premature aging. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the skin, supporting collagen integrity and slowing down visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and sagging. Additionally, strawberries contain ellagic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and inhibit the enzymes that break down collagen in aging skin. How to enjoy it? Blend strawberries into a morning smoothie, sprinkle chopped berries over yogurt or oatmeal, or enjoy them fresh as a snack. For the most antioxidant benefit, eat them raw and unpeeled. Number 5. Kiwi. Skin repair starts with this vitamin C superfruit. Kiwi is one of the most vitamin C-rich fruits available, offering about 92 milligrams per 100 grams, which exceeds the daily recommended intake for adults. USDA Food Data Central 2020. This high concentration of vitamin C makes kiwi a powerful ally in collagen production. Vitamin C supports the formation and stabilization of collagen fibers, essential for skin's strength and elasticity. Kiwi also contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that aids in protein digestion. While actinidin doesn't directly influence collagen synthesis, better protein digestion helps the body absorb amino acids, such as proline and glycine, more efficiently, which are essential for building collagen. Additionally, a study in the Journal of Cellular Physiology, 2010, found that antioxidants in kiwi, including vitamin C and polyphenol, promote wound healing by enhancing collagen synthesis and reducing oxidative stress in damaged skin. How to enjoy it? Eat kiwi raw with the skin on, if tolerated, for extra fiber and nutrients. Add it to smoothies, mix into fruit salads, or slice it as a refreshing snack. For optimal skin benefits, aim to include kiwi several times per week. Number 6. Papaya, a tropical boost for skin renewal. Papaya is a tropical fruit packed with skin-supporting nutrients. It provides about 61 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, along with a healthy dose of vitamin A and the enzyme papain. USDA Food Data Central 2020. Vitamin C is essential for collagen formation, while vitamin A supports cell turnover, helping the skin renew itself more effectively. Papain, a natural enzyme found in papaya, helps gently exfoliate the skin from within by breaking down proteins and promoting smoother skin texture. Research published in Food and Function, 2013, suggests that papaya's antioxidant profile, including vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoids, helps reduce oxidative stress in skin cells, brighten overall tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The combined effect of these compounds encourages faster skin regeneration, improved elasticity, and a more even complexion. How to enjoy it? Blend papaya into a smoothie with lime or ginger. Toss it into fruit salads, or mash it and mix with plain yogurt for a refreshing snack that also benefits your skin. Eating papaya regularly can support brighter, healthier-looking skin from within. Number 7. Mango. Tropical nutrition for collagen support. Mangoes offer a unique blend of nutrients that benefit skin health, including vitamin C, about 36 milligrams per 100 grams, and beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. USDA Food Data Central, 2020. While its vitamin C content is moderate compared to guava or kiwi, mangoes still contribute meaningfully to daily collagen support. Vitamin C helps activate the enzymes responsible for collagen production, while beta-carotene protects skin cells from oxidative damage and supports the skin's natural repair process. According to a 2020 study in Nutrients, beta-carotene-rich foods can improve skin hydration and reduce inflammation, helping maintain the skin's lipid barrier. This barrier is essential for keeping the skin moisturized, smooth, and resilient, especially in dry or aging skin. Mangoes are also rich in polyphenol, which act as antioxidants to protect against UV-induced skin aging. How to enjoy it? Eat mango fresh as a snack. Blend it into smoothies with coconut milk, or freeze blended mango with lime juice to make a simple, skin-friendly sorbet. Regular consumption can help your skin stay supple and protected from environmental stressors. Number 8. Lemon. A bright source of skin protection and collagen activation. Lemons are a concentrated source of vitamin C, providing about 53 milligrams per 100 grams, which plays a critical role in supporting collagen synthesis and reducing signs of skin aging. USDA Food Data Central, 2020. Vitamin C functions as a cofactor for enzymes involved in building collagen, while also serving as a potent antioxidant that helps protect existing collagen from oxidative damage. According to research published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, 2001, consistent vitamin C intake is associated with reduced skin wrinkling and improved skin appearance in middle-aged women. In addition to collagen support, lemons may aid in detoxification by promoting hydration and mild liver stimulation when consumed in warm water. Though the idea of detox is often misunderstood, proper hydration with lemon water can support healthy circulation and even skin tone. Lemons also contain natural flavonoids like hesperidin, which have been linked to anti-inflammatory and photoprotective effects in the skin. How to enjoy it? Start the day with warm lemon water. Use fresh lemon juice in homemade salad dressings or add slices of lemon to herbal tea with ginger. Just be sure to protect your tooth enamel by rinsing with water afterward. Number 9. Kale. A leafy green that defends and repairs your skin. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense leafy greens, offering about 93 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, making it a powerful ally for skin health and collagen support. USDA Food Data Central, 2020. Vitamin C is essential for stimulating collagen production and protecting existing collagen from degradation. But kale goes even further. It contains sulforaphane, a naturally occurring compound with potent anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Sulforaphane has been shown in studies, e.g., Molecular Nutrition and Food Research, 2011, to activate protective enzymes in the liver and reduce oxidative stress throughout the body, including the skin. Together, these nutrients help brighten the complexion, reduce acne-related inflammation, and strengthen the skin's barrier by supporting healthy collagen levels. Kale also contains vitamin A and K, which contribute to skin regeneration and even tone. How to enjoy it? Blend kale into green smoothies with fruits like banana or pineapple. Massage it into a raw salad with lemon juice and olive oil, or lightly steam it to preserve its vitamin C content. Including kale regularly can help reinforce your skin's defense system from within. Number 10. Broccoli, a skin-strengthening vegetable with detoxifying power. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable loaded with nutrients that support skin health. It provides around 89 milligrams of vitamin C per 100 grams, along with vitamin K, fiber, and a range of phytonutrients. USDA Food Data Central 2020. Vitamin C plays a key role in collagen synthesis and protecting skin from oxidative stress, while vitamin K supports wound healing and may reduce skin discoloration. Broccoli also offers sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing compound shown to activate detoxification enzymes and reduce UV-induced skin damage. Journal of Investigative Dermatology, 2007. Its high fiber content supports gut health, which is increasingly recognized as closely linked to skin appearance. A balanced gut microbiome helps regulate inflammation and supports nutrient absorption, both critical for maintaining healthy, glowing skin. In combination, these nutrients help reduce oxidative stress on collagen fibers, improve skin tone, and strengthen the skin's natural defense mechanisms. How to enjoy it? Lightly steam broccoli to preserve its vitamin C, toss it with garlic and olive oil for a quick stir-fry, or add it to hearty vegetable soups. Including broccoli a few times a week can offer long-term support for skin clarity and resilience. How to add vitamin C-rich foods to your daily routine. Incorporating 2 to 3 vitamin C-rich foods into your meals each day can significantly improve your skin's ability to produce and maintain collagen. The key is variety, freshness, and smart food pairings. Start your morning with a smoothie that combines papaya, strawberries, and lemon juice for a refreshing and collagen-boosting blend. For lunch or dinner, a salad made with kale, orange slices, red bell pepper, and a sprinkle of chia seeds delivers a powerful mix of antioxidants and vitamin C. When possible, choose raw or lightly cooked preparations. Vitamin C is heat-sensitive and can degrade during high-temperature cooking. Steaming vegetables like broccoli or kale is a gentle method that helps retain more of their nutrients. For fruits, eating them fresh and whole ensures maximum vitamin and fiber intake. Pairing vitamin C-rich foods with healthy fats, such as avocado or extra virgin olive oil, can also enhance the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants like beta-carotene found in mangoes, bell peppers, and kale. Planning a few go-to meals around these combinations, like a green smoothie for breakfast and a citrus-based salad at lunch, makes it easy to build skin-friendly habits without overthinking. With consistent choices, your diet can become a natural foundation for stronger, healthier, and more youthful skin. Adding vitamin C-rich foods to your daily diet is a simple yet powerful way to support collagen production and keep your skin firm, smooth, and youthful over time. Make these 10 foods a regular part of your meals, not just for better skin, but for overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family who care about natural beauty from within. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.